Hi guys, this is Chinmay from OxyUltimate. In this video, I shall show you how we will configure the off canvas component. First, you will go to OxyUltimate component settings page and enable the off canvas component. Next, I open the Oxygen Builder editor. This is my header footer layout. I want the off canvas panel for login button. So first I am selecting the login button and copying the selector. Next I am going to the OxyUltimate of canvas panel component. So this is the default live preview. Under the trigger selector, I am entering my login button selector. So when I will click the login button, the panel will appear. This region you will add the trigger selector element here. You can add multiple selector. Next, under the panel you can adjust the panel background color, width and other settings. Under the config you can change the position, left, right, top. Okay, default is right. Default panel with 300. You can change the value, background color, transition duration and Z index. Here I have the spacing for padding, and under the other section you can change, disable the side scrolling or enable the body push body content functionality, or another option is reveal panel. Reveal panel means when you will yes, select the yes and you can enter the delay in second, in millisecond. So when you open the page, after few seconds the panel will automatically appear. This is the reveal panel functionality. Okay, by default I am setting the default settings. So first I entered my login button selector here. Under the off canvas panel you can add any component. It is a flexible component, so you can add any component for the panel content. Like I am adding the existing heading. Okay, next I am adding the login form. This is my login form. I shall adjust the panel width. Okay, I am saving the page. Now I am going to coordinator because I already logged in, so I am going to the coordinator and clicking on the login button. You can see the effect. Also you will click on the backdrop button, it will hide. So this is the off canvas panel functionality. You can change the close button. This is the default close button layout. You can add the background color, hover background color, hide the closed text or only show the icon. You can also change the icon. Under the off canvas close button section, under the icon you can change the default close icon. You can adjust the size, icon size. Also you can change the position when you will use the text. So after text, by default is after text, you can change the icon position like before. Also you can adjust the gap. You can add the color for hover color. Here is the button text. By default it is choose. You can remove it and you can only display the close button. Okay, here another option is the disable close button option, because if you want to add custom close button, then you will disable the inbuilt close button and you will use any component for the close button. In that case, you will copy the selector of that component and go to the off canvas panel settings, and under the trigger selector use the comma and enter that button selector ID. So when you will click on that button, it will automatically close the panel. Okay, so this reason I enter the disable close button option also. Okay, you can also use the text and hide the icon. So only close text you can use, custom text. And here is the button settings, all the button settings. Next I am going to the panel other section and enable the push body content options, saving the layout. Okay, refreshing the page. So by default the panel is hover on the body content. Now it will push the body content like clicking on the button, and you can see the body content is pushing to the left side. If this panel is set up to left side, the body content push to the right side. Let's go the change the panel position left. Now refresh the page, clicking on the button. You can see that panel is moving to left to right and body content is moving also left to right. So these are the push content features. We can go to the others and use the reveal options. Changing the delay is 5 seconds. So saving it and refreshing the page. Now you can see that after 5 seconds the panel is automatically appearing. So this is the functionality of the reveal panel features. And you can disable the backdrop. Here another option is the scroll bar. You can adjust the scroll bar color, width, size, etc. Keep in mind that this option will not compatible with all browser. So some browser this CSS design will work like Chrome, Firefox. Okay, next I am going to the backdrop. You can change the backdrop color or disable it. I am disabling it. Next I am going to the panel border section, adding the border right. 4px. Okay, Next, refreshing the page, clicking on the login button, and you can see that backdrop is removed and right border is showing here. So this way you can customize the up canvas panel, and this is the settings and features of the up canvas panel. Thank you for watching.